Hey, it's boring. Let us do some color pouring. I like hatching and scratching. Let us create new texture with scrubbing and brooming. Let us sprinkle. Let it twinkle. Let us sprinkle. Let it twinkle. Let us start moving. And scrolling. Dry stroke painting. With flat brush we are creating. Scrubber. We can add time color scrubbing. Children like scribbling while playing. Couture. We can enjoy knife painting. Engrader. Can do color engrading. Then shading. Cotton is for color smoothing. With earbuds, we can do nice stippling. With candy stick, we can do color patching. With designer box, we can create the texture amazing. Roller is for multicolor rolling. Use fingers for color printing. Punch is for color stumping. Coconut coir for different color rendering. With toothbrush, we are creating spray painting. With tissue paper, texture innovating. With this beautiful emboss work, we can do color rolling. Have you enjoyed my crazy painting? Keep on watching, sharing, liking and subscribing. Let's hope soon for next video meeting.